What if the people who insult you are secretly saving you? A king learned this lesson the hardest way, and it changed his life forever. Once upon a time there was a king. He was rich. He was powerful, but inside he was cold. He did not believe in God. He did not believe in charity. He lived only for pleasure. One day a saint stood in front of the king's chariot. He looked calm and fearless. He asked the king for a donation. The king laughed loudly. "Donation from me? I do not waste money on useless things. I do not believe in all this." The saint smiled gently. "Still, I want something from you." The king became irritated. "I said no." At that moment the king's horse left dung on the road. The saint pointed at it. "King, this is useless to you. At least give me this." "But I want it from your own hands." The king felt insulted, but he thought the saint would not leave otherwise. In anger, he picked it up with both hands. He handed it to the saint. "Take it and go." The saint accepted it peacefully. Before leaving, he said one sentence: "May it grow." Later that day, the king was sitting on his balcony. Suddenly, he smelled something horrible. A strong, disgusting smell filled the air. He looked down in shock. A huge mountain of dung had formed outside his palace. The king shouted for the guards. "Remove it immediately." They removed it. But the next day it returned. Bigger, worse, smellier. The entire palace began to stink. The king became restless. He could not sleep. He could not eat. Then he remembered the saint. He remembered the dung. He remembered the words, "May it grow." Fear filled his heart. He left the palace immediately. He searched everywhere for the saint. Finally, he found him sitting peacefully under a tree. The king fell at his feet. "Forgive me. I insulted you. My palace has become a hell," the saint replied calmly. "King, this is not my curse. This is your karma." The king looked confused. The saint continued, "If you had donated money, money would have grown, but you donated filth, so filth is growing." The king's face turned pale. "I understand. I was wrong. Please give me a solution." The saint nodded. "There is a solution, but you must promise one thing." The king agreed immediately. "Anything," the saint said firmly. "You will not ask any questions until the problem is solved." The king agreed. Then the saint gave strange instructions. "Go back and spread something among your people. Make them speak badly about you." The king froze. "People should insult me?" "Yes," the saint replied. "Do it." The king had no choice. He returned to the palace. He began spreading small rumors about himself. He made decisions that looked suspicious. Slowly, the kingdom began talking. "The king is selfish. The king is cruel. The king is fake. The king is not a good man." The king heard everything. It hurt deeply. But he stayed silent. One morning, he stepped onto his balcony again. He could not believe his eyes. The mountain of dung was gone, completely gone. The bad smell had disappeared. The air felt fresh. The palace felt peaceful again. The king ran back to the saint. "It worked. Now, may I ask why?" The saint smiled. "Yes," the king asked. "Why did it disappear when people started insulting me?" The saint replied gently. "When people speak badly about you, they take a part of your negative karma. They become partners in your bad fate. They reduce your burden." The king stood silent. The saint ended with deep wisdom. "Remember this. Sometimes those who criticize you are not your enemies. They are cleaning your path. Never hate those who speak badly about you. Many times, They are reducing your negative karma. They are carrying your burden. And the greatest lesson is this: what you give grows. Give kindness, kindness grows. Give respect, respect grows. Give filth, filth grows. So be careful. Whatever you give to the world returns to you multiplied.